Can I cut mine? Hand too?
You have to be done with excellence.
Mommy,
I need the whole yolk full. So
like
just pull it open like I taught you.
I like touching the gooey.
No, from the whole. That's fine, Blake. I don't need the yellow bleeding. I need it. Pull it apart. Don't worry about touching it, AJ. Let it drop. Thank you.
I'm just trying not to get an eggshell in there.
Well, go ahead. Next egg, sweetie. Blake, the way I taught you, pull it apart. Yes, pull it apart. Just pull it apart.
Can I touch the gooey?
Yes, pull it apart. I need the eggs whole.
Actually a slick one.
Blake, put your thumbs in like I taught you when we do eggs on the stove. AJ, outstanding job. I'm trying not to let that yellow run.
I'm gonna let her do that one. I'm just gonna do this one before.
She's gonna be she's gonna be upset.
I'm just doing
pull
this
it apart, sissy.
Pull it.
Gooey.
Thank you. Let her do them, baby. Blake, do your next one.
She took two.
All right, now put your thumbs in and pull it apart. Don't let the yellow bust. Don't put your thumb in the yellow, please. Open it. Pull it apart. Pull it apart. Excellent. Thank you, guys.
Girls on me, on the dance floor, all eyes on me. Who is he? Then you better come get your girl dog. All eyes on me, party like a rock star. You can find me in VIP. All eyes on me, yeah, where the girls are. This is how your night should be. All eyes on me, all eyes on the prize. Money super size, G5 super fly, should be supervised.
Welcome to Carter's my first pound cake with Swan's Down. Stovetop Kisses recipe. Let's hope and pray it goes well. Kids are working in their workbooks. Lots of fighting to get to this point, but we've done it. We've got our cook bowl. We've got a cup of sugar. Help yourself to some crayons. A bowl just in case. 5 eggs on the side. We don't have creamed milk, so we've added lemon juice to a cup of milk. Everything. 6 eggs have been sitting out at room temperature. Heavy cream. 6 large eggs. 1 cup of sugar. And 1 box of brownie mix. Okie dokie. So, if it's the first time here, go ahead and thumbs it up, subscribe, comment, commit, and stick. Comment, commit, and stick. Comment, commit, and stick. Here at Carter's Eat. That's the first housekeeping. Subscribe, tell a neighbor, tell a friend. Here at Carter's Eat, we have Cook With Me, Eat With Me challenge videos. You'll see lots of family vlogs and some singing sensations, but we've moved everything to Miss Carter. Let's go ahead and not make this a long video. There is a magic ingredient you'll see. Special shout out to Renata Murphy, and her name of her channel is right here at the bottom. She bequeathed me with a blender. So I had to do, that's rude. Both of you. So I had to do a video baking something because she gave me the blender. So, isn't it gorgeous? It's a Black & Decker. It's got a whisker, a blender, and you'll see it used in the video. So, I'm Lisa. I'm your host here at Carter's Eat. We have 2 kids late in life at 40 and 44. AJ, who's 8. Blake, who is 5. Thank you, going to kindergarten. And my parents, who also live with us. You'll see their testimonies in my lives, so catch up with my lives, and you'll hear lots of tips if you are a YouTuber. But you'll also see my mother featured in some videos. Shout out to all of my Carterians for helping me get 7K or 8K?
Probably 1K.
7K? I don't know. I think it's 7K. Yeah, 7K. Shout out to all my Carterians for getting me to 7K. If you're new here, welcome to the family. Let's get into the video. Carterians, it's my first pound cake. Don't ask me what's taking so long. I guess I've never had a reason to bake a cake. Just have it. I don't need a lot of sweets. First cup of sugar. We're starting out with 1 cup of sugar, sticks of butter, Y'all know how I love my parquet, so that's 1 cup. I'm sorry, half a cup. 2 sticks of butter, 2 sticks of butter, 2 sticks of butter. I just love parquet. That's what's in the house. This one's Brownie Batter. We're gonna blend that first, okay, you guys? Here's that. Yeah, this shirt's available. $25 plus $6 shipping. There's a 4th of July special. I won't call it a 4th of July, a July special. $20, $6 shipping. So if you I don't want it that fast. I really, really, really don't. Here is the magic ingredient. They say it's the key to a man's soul. Buttered flavored shortening. Buttered flavored shortening. We're adding 5 tablespoons. Right? Ooh, ooh, did you see that? I wish I could rewind it. Famalam. Use salted butter. Use salted butter. If not, put a pinch of salt in there just to make sure you get all the flavors to roll together. We, of course, are using the swans, okay? One at a time. One at a time, and then mix in the cake mix. 3 cups of swans down. So I hope that I can get the egg to fall out 1 per. It's hard. All right, there's 1. Here, have the first lick. There you go. Everybody's mama let them lick this. Ooh, the batter alone is butter. Oh my God. Okay, sis said, make a shine. Make a shine like you about to go in a fight on the school playground. Make a shine. We haven't used it. My bad. You do not want it to stick. Go around the cone. Go around the cone. It was on the bridal registry, so, you know. And then when your soror, shout out to Delta Sigma Theta, when your soror gets you a blender, catch up with the ministry and make something with it. So I'm ready. You ready? Ready. I used to say to like, ready, ready. Y'all remember when you were little, your mama used to take the butter wrapper and you had to put the butter down there, and that's before they came out with the spray stuff. So I mean, it's real good. It's rolling around in there. I can't stress it enough, because when the pound cake is done, family, don't nobody want to see a 2-tone pound cake with brown and gaping holes of white. That's our first tier. That's our first. It doesn't have to be beautiful. It's not about the beauty. It's about the placement and that your brownie is in there. Okay? I forgot. Mama was like, did you bounce it? Did you bounce it like a baby? Get all the air out. Woo! Honey, that thing gonna be, it's ready. Let's pray nothing's stuck. Not yet. I'm gonna let it cool like that upside down. I can already tell. She ain't ready for it. It did not plate up pretty at all. It didn't. So that's what happened. All of the brownie went to the bottom. There's a little swirl, but all of the brownie went to the bottom. Now this tastes amazing, but all my brownie swirl went to the bottom of the cake. We must try this again. Fail! Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching. That's why I believe she says the brownie fudge, so that it stays in one spot. Okay, you guys, be sure to try this for yourself with the fudge brownie inside of your pound cake. Let's taste it. Fantastic. Looks a hot mess. Not near brownie fell down through there. But it's fantastic. I like the flavor. Tastes like pound cake. If that brownie had just been in between each layer. Use the fudge brownie, not regular brownies. That's important. It's so good. Thank you for watching. Thank you for coming. I love you, each and every one of you. Thank you for 7K. Make sure you check out Miss Carter's as well. Link in the description box below. And we'll see you. Ooh, that's good. Holla, 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 holla. Here, you have a piece. You have a piece right there. I have to pinch the brownie off. Pinch the brownie off the bottom. All of the brownie fell to the bottom. Y'all saw it. You saw it here at Carter's Eve. Stovetop Kisses. Love you. Thank you for the recipe. Fantastic. Fantastic pound cake. I don't know what else to say except for use fudge brownie. Try it for yourself. We'll make it again. We'll make it again. Oh, I need a glass of milk. Do or die, open up your eyes, head to the sky, keep a mean bad mommy on the side. Make a tsunami, kamikaze on the mind, spit flow, paparazzi, flash shine, get dough, champagne, murder.